In this video I'm going to show you how to write and send text messages on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first you may open up your Messages application and here select a conversation with a user you want to send a message. Let it be that user, for example, and here select that bar and let's type some message like hello and then tap to send button. Also, I can write to that user, I can find it using context here and typing user's name in the search bar like that. Select user and here at the user card select message right here at the left, and I now can send another message to that specific user if I want.